A while ago, I found a great strategy backtesting channel on YouTube named Serious Backtester. This guy codes and tests objective, rules-based strategies in a methodical way, so shout out to him, although he is no longer active on YouTube. And I found one particular video which showcased a highly profitable strategy for indices like S&P 500, Russells, and so on. The strategy used three well-known indicators: the Stochastic Oscillator, the MACD, and the 200 length EMA. However, what makes this strategy unique is the use of the EMA. In 99% of trading strategies, long entries are only allowed above the EMA, but not in this strategy. Here, long entries are only allowed under the 200 length EMA. So I decided to code it in PINESCRIPT with the help of ChatGPT and optimize it to find the best parameters. I downloaded the subtitles of the YouTube video and sent it to ChatGPT to write me down the rules of the strategy. Then I asked it to code it in PINESCRIPT. It quickly generated the script, and after correcting the errors and fine-tuning it, I got a complete strategy script. So in this video, I will explain the rules of the strategy and show you how you can set up this script on your chart for free. After that, I will show you the optimization I made and the 4-year backtest results for indices like the S&P 500 or US30. And finally, I will show you the ranking spreadsheet where I rank every strategy that I test on this channel. Hello everyone, and welcome to TradeSmart AI. If you are new here and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, check out the description for other channels: TradeSmart, where I share our best and way more complex strategy scripts and research. Or if you are interested in investing in crypto, check out the TradeSmart Crypto Journey channel, where I analyze the market and hundreds of cryptocurrencies to find the best ones. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first open up TradingView, set up the US30 2-hour chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators. We will need 3 indicators, so open up the Indicators tab and type in EMA. Click on the Moving Average Exponential, then type in MACD, add the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and finally the Stochastic. Click on this one. Okay, as I mentioned, I've optimized this strategy, so we need to change the settings of the indicators. Let's start off with the EMA. Set its length to 200. Now the MACD. Set the fast length to 9, the slow length to 10, and the signal smoothing to 18. Finally, go to the stochastics. Set the percentage K length to 50, the percentage K smoothing to 36. And you can leave the percentage D at whatever value you want, as we won't use that. Switch to the Styles tab, uncheck the percentage D, and change the upper band value to 60 and the lower band value to 55. Okay, now we have all of the indicators correctly set up on the chart. This is a long-only strategy, so now let's see the rules for long entries and exits. Here we have a very long entry signal. For a very long entry, first the price needs to be below the EMA. I know this is not the usual way of entering long positions, but with this strategy, this is what works. And the signal candle close is under the EMA. Next, we need to see a MACD cross up below the 0 line. Here is our MACD. And on the entry signal candle, we can see a cross up right here. And the cross up happened under the 0 level, which is this level. Finally, the stochastic K line needs to be below the 60 level. This is the stochastic K line, and here we set up the 60 level. On the entry signal candle, the stochastic K is well under the 60 level. So all of the rules met for a very long entry. We can enter at the open of the next candle. The stop loss will be placed at a 15% distance, which is huge, but the optimization showed that this value is the best, so I use that. Although if I would trade this strategy, I would never use a such high stop loss. But it's all personal preference. If I zoom out, you can see that this level is the 15% stop loss, and it's really far from the entry price. But when will we close the strategy? We can close the strategy if we see a MACD cross down above the 0 line, while the stochastic K line is above the 55 level. So there are 2 conditions that needs to be met. First, we need to see a MACD cross down, which is this one, above the 0 line, which is here, while the stochastic K line is above the 55 level, which is this level. So as you can see, that condition is met right here, and our script exited the position right there. Now before showing the backtest results, let me tell you how you can get the strategy script on your chart for free. For that, go down into the description or in the comment section. I leave there a Google Drive link which will lead you to the full PINESCRIPT code. So download the PINESCRIPT code or copy it, then head over to TradingView, open up the Pine editor which is here on the bottom, then click on Open, New Strategy, highlight everything here, and paste the code right there. Finally click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, you should see the script right here. Inside the script you can set up the MACD settings, the stochastic settings, the upper and lower limits, the EMA settings, and the stop loss on the bottom. You can also choose if you want to use an EMA filter or not, and if you want to allow trades above or below it. Keep in mind this script is for long positions only, but if you watch my previous ChatGPT videos, you should know that with ChatGPT you can easily add a short function too. And now let's see the backtest results. First of all, for the backtest I am using a $10,000 initial capital with a $30,000 position sizing, which is a 3x leverage. I will use one trade at a time, so the pyramiding is set to 1. The commission is set to 0.1% both on entries and exits, but I found that using 0.25% is also profitable in most cases, and the slippage is set to 10 ticks. First, let's see the results for the US30 2-hour chart. For the backtest I used the same 4-year time interval as always, 2020 1st of March till 2024 1st of March. And here are the results. During this 4-year time interval, the script only took 52 trades, but it generated 150% net profit with 73% win rate, 3.3 profit factor, and only 13% maximum drawdown. I know 52 trades is not enough, but as I mentioned, this strategy works on many other indices like the S&P, the US100, the Nikkei, and so on. And if you would trade all of those indices at the same time, you would easily get around 100 trades each year. It's also worth mentioning that you can't force trade opportunities if they are not there. That's why the most successful traders only takes 1 to 3 trades each week. The script also works on the 4-hour chart, but it is not as good, and in the last 2 years it would have been losing. So I would stick with the 2-hour chart. Now let's see US100. It is also profitable. SPY, also good, but has very low trade count. Nifty is profitable, but again low trade count. Nikkei. This one looks amazing, but only 12 trades. DGI, also profitable. D40, profitable. DAX is also profitable. And the Australian 200 is also profitable. Now let's see what happens with the US 100 if I change the commission from 0.1 to 0.25. It is still profitable, but now the drawdown is around 30% and the buy and hold outperforms it. What about the others? On SPY with a 0.25% fee on each entry and exit, the script still outperforms the buy and hold. On Nifty, it is profitable but didn't outperform the buy and hold. On Nikkei, it is profitable and well outperformed the buy and hold. On the Australian 200, it is still profitable, but was downtrending in the last 1 or 2 years and ended up at the buy and hold equity curve. Well, I would say the US30 and the Nikkei is the best. And now let's see the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Here is our strategy ranking spreadsheet, and today's strategy, the K-line plus MACD strategy with reversed EMA, has took the 11th place, which is not that great. But that's only because I have used a low position sizing, only 3x leverage, which has only 13% maximum drawdown. If you take a look on all the other strategies, all of them has above a 20% maximum drawdown. So if I would have doubled the position sizing, the strategy would be placed somewhere around here, at around the 8th place. Here I put the results for the US30 2-hour chart with the base optimization setting I showed you. I have used a 3x leverage, a 0.1% fee with a 10-tick slippage, and here are the backtest results. I will put the YouTube link of this video right here and the script download link right here. And that wraps up today's video. Feel free to send me strategies to code and optimize next down in the comment section. If you want to support my work, drop a like and subscribe, it really helps out this channel, or check out our Patreon where you can get access to our best, highly customizable TradingView scripts I present on the main TradeSmart channel, or to my crypto research and investment portfolio. Link is down in the description. If you want to know how you can code basic strategies with ChatGPT, check out this video. Or if you want to see our latest highly customizable premium script I presented on the main TradeSmart channel, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart!